Hello guys, it's another episode of Trade Pay Speed where we trade the market. Tonight is earning week, guys. So we're going to talk about stock that we will be having an earning this week, and the stock that I will be watching this week, guys. Last week I talked about some stock, and I did call onto some stock like pay payment and that stock actually went I believe 6 point after market. That was really good. So I will look into some other stock this week, and we will kind of check the stock and see how the stock will be doing, and I will be updating you guys on some of the stock that I will be watching this week. So tomorrow we have this stock 360 finance. I haven't really been looking into the stock, but I will be checking the stock, some stock tomorrow. SAIC, look at the good stock. Quarter Hill. Now, all the stock that I'm calling, usually I won't really look at all the stock actually, but I those names sounds kind of quite good. Now, lithium is a stock that I'll be looking is aftermarket, guys. So the stock is aftermarket. Now this week we have Bacon Depot, quite interesting. On Tuesday, not tomorrow, guys. So it's on Tuesday that we have the stock. We have this week we do have Xpen, SPEV right on here. Before market, SNDL before market. So this stock right down here is NDL. We have this stock right down here before market. I will be looking at those stock a little bit. Also on five below on Wednesday, we have Nike and Fedex on Tuesday after close. So be interesting to still look at the stock along the week, right? Nike still be interesting to look at this stock along the week. We have Neo. We have Neo on Friday, guys, before open. Okay, so those are about 5 to 6 stock this week that I'll be looking at. Probably seven, like 5, 6 stock this week. General Mail is right on here, guy. Right on here on Wednesday, before open. Okay, guys. So for this stock, quite some stock to look. Quite some good stock to look this week. If you have any other stock that you are watching this week, comment down. We'll have Town Square here tomorrow. Quite interesting also. So if you have any other stock that you're watching, that you have some news on, like I always say, there's some few things to look into this stock. Earning, are they beating earning? Beating earning could be putting the stock up. We're checking the EPS of the stock. A positive EPS is really good, but we also want kind of a high EPS. They want an EPS kind of superior to 10%, 15%, but the higher EPS is actually also very good. Now, usually they actually release a new product into a company. They do have like consensus is actually a high expectation compared to, let's say, the analyst expecting the stock to have a strong, like a projection is higher than what they're releasing, right? The projection is maybe, oh, I'm projecting this company will have a revenue of like 10 million, for example, and they're actually beating that. So that's making the stock can go higher, right? In other hand, if it's missing, usually the stock go down, usually, but that doesn't really do much for some stock. That's when technical analysis come to play. So that's why we usually say technical analysis come to play, because even though a company does meet all these requirements into sales is increasing, EPS is good, projection consensus is being positive, then still the stock goes down and sometimes we wondering why, but then that's when technical analysis come to play. So sometimes when he miss, the stock goes down, and when he beat, the stock still can go down. When he missed the goals, the stock goes up. All right, guys. So we want the stock to beat and it goes up, and we want the stock to miss and it goes down. But then what I will say is, let's check our report, our earning report, and let's check our technical analysis. All right, guys. So let's go to another stock right now. Let's go to Apple. All right, guys. So let's check Apple for tomorrow. Let me see exactly what we have. Let's talk about Apple. All right, guys. So Apple went all the way to 208, and now after market, now we have 213. Apple went up. Um, Guys, if we are not in bullish term right now, it seems like Apple could go all the way up and continue in this upper trend up to 213. We have 213. We can see 215, 1482. Moving and not holding that to 1482, we can see that Apple hit that to 215, sorry, to 1482. We can see a 215.64 and then go all the way to that 216. Now, if we beat that 216.78, guys, we can see the 217 all the way to 218. All right, guys, so this is the level that I have for Apple. Now, we're rejecting that 213. Let's see if Apple will not bounce on 212 all the way to 211.07, probably lower. All right, guys, so this is pretty much for tonight. This is what I have for you for tonight. Let's meet again for tomorrow. Until next time, this is Trade Best Speak. Until next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. Click and like, share the channel. Bye.